Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the HCI, Hyper-Converged Infrastructure. Let's get started. In here I have written diagram for HCA, and do you know the function of this HCA? It is very important for you if you want to make it simple for infrastructure in modern concept. Before, if you know, we have to use traditional concept for making this, and right now you can use it simplify. You can use it very good. Do you know HCA? HCA is hyper-converged infrastructure. It is a infrastructure system IT modern which combine server, storage, and networking in one packet. And all of this can be managed in one software. Okay, I will repeat again for this HCA. It is hyper-converged infrastructure, and this is the system IT infrastructure modern which combine, you can see in here in this diagram, combine server, storage, compute, storage, and virtualization in one packet. And all of this can be managed fully through software. Okay, you can see in here, this is the concept of HCA: compute, storage, and virtualization in one packet, in one node. All of this is node. Okay, you can see in here key components for HCA are compute, storage, and networking. Just info for you, before using this HCA, all people using 3-tier architecture, and the component of 3-tier architecture is compute, storage, and networking, but not in one packet. All of this in separated. And for right now, all of this just in one packet. Okay, I will repeat again. Before using this HCA, the people using 3-tier architecture, and all of this in different place, but for right now just in one place. I hope you understand for this concept HCA. compute, storage, and virtualization. What the function for this compute? This is for processing. This is for calculating. You can imagine this is CPU. Okay, if you have computer and inside of HCI also have CPU or server. Okay, I hope you understand for this compute and storage, the function for saving your data. If you have computer, you have hard disk for saving your data, and this case also same with your computer hard disk. Next, in here in HCI has virtualization. Okay, this is a little different with your computer. If in your computer didn't have virtualization, but for this HCI has virtualization. Okay, you can imagine if in your computer you just have one operating system. For example, if you have computer, you just use operating system, for example, Windows 10, Windows 11, and etc. But for this case, HCI, you have many computer, you have many operating system. Inside of this HCI, maybe you have operating system 11, 10, maybe Linux, and many operating system just in one place. Okay, this is the difference between your computer, and we call it with virtualization because has or have many operating system. Next, for benefit of this HCI, you can see in here simplicity, scalability, cost efficiency, and ease of management. This is benefit for you if you use HCI. Simplicity, it means architects more simple if you compare to traditional concept. Before you have this compute, storage, and virtualization, but not in same place. But for this HCI, all of this in one place. So we can call it simplicity. Next, the benefit for this HCI, scalability. It means if you want to add maybe a CPU, maybe storage, you just connect to the other node. Okay, I hope you understand for this. If you want to make it more for anything, you just connect to another node without you have to create from zero, but you just connect to the other node. It is very simple because if you don't use HCI, you have to create from zero. But for this, you just connect to other node, and we call it with scalability. Next, cost efficiency. If you use HCI, make it safer for your money. Okay, because if you have pulse electric, if you use HCI, so make it you save your money. Next is of management. Okay, you can imagine you can manage of this process just in one dashboard. I hope you understand for this. Okay, in one dashboard you can control all of this, and we call it with ease of management. I think enough for this explanation about the HCI, Hyper-Converged Infrastructure. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time, and goodbye.